Hi friends, I am Advay. Welcome back to my show. No kidding. And today we are going to learn about modes of transportation. And it starts with my bicycle. But safety comes first. Cycling is a good exercise and it helps in increasing your height. Now the next mode of transport is autorickshaw. It can take 3 people inside. In traffic, it is easy to ride. Now I'm traveling in Mumbai Metro. By the time I'll reach in my 3rd standard, whole Mumbai will be connected with Metro network. City of Joy, Kolkata was the first city to see the arrival of Metro. So friends, we just had a Metro ride and now we are going for a monorail. This was my first bus ride in Mumbai. My co-passenger was very helpful. The journey from Ghatkopar to Chembur was very relaxing. Have you ever wondered why school buses are yellow in color? Because yellow is an attention-grabbing color and easier to detect in dim light and bad weather. By now, I've learned how the coin ticketing system works in Metro and Monorail. The down track looks like that.
Yes. See? Isn't it beautiful?
Did you know that the wheels of monorails move horizontally instead of vertically like other modes? After monorail, it was turned to fly. And I will be flying from Lucknow to Mumbai. Did you know the oxygen in an emergency oxygen mask lasts only for 15 minutes?
Tell me something about aeroplane.
I'm sure.
Will you fight with your brother for a window seat? No? You? Pakka?